was on HackerRank and thought we could try some of these challenges as well. So let's go ahead. I think we'll probably just do the first two, just to kind of see how these go. So I went in here and I went to practice, then I went to Python, and then this is the first one. So this one looks pretty simple. I'm kind of a huge fan of dark mode, so let's try dark mode. Do I just have to type hello world? Zero. Your output. You know you're having a rough day when you can't get hello world to work. It's pretty bad. So I've actually never used HackerRank before. I know they're pretty popular with code tests. So it looks like there's some kind of point system. Next challenge. Yeah, let's do that. Oh man. I'm sure this looks harder than it's going to be. Alright, IfElse. Let's just do this one and then we'll be done with HackerRank for the day. This one does not look as much fun. Alright, given an integer and is odd, print weird if it's even, and print not weird. Alright, this one's super simple. Just a bunch of if else statements. I'm actually going to copy this. Let's just go line by line. So if, oh, what's the variable? N? Should I have not deleted that? All right. Alright, so we have successfully done this one. If and range of what? Two to 5. Okay, we're gonna come back to that. If it's even, is else if one word in Python? 6 to 20. All right, and then let's copy this again. Now we just need to do the last one, which is okay. So that should take care of those. You shouldn't feel bad if you're just starting out Python. I'm still Googling IfElse statements, which is somewhat embarrassing to have happen, but what? All right, now submit. It looks like it's ELIF. Just one and statement? It's greater than or equal to 6 and... Oh. Yikes. Alright, let's try that. Wrong answer. Input. Not weird. When it's over 24. 24 should say not weird. How can that happen? 24. And all right, let's just double check this is correct, because I don't know this to be true. was my exact question. Can you use and? Can I say the word and? Whoa. You can actually say the word and. Let's just do that. That must have been it. Alright, well, it's good we're learning the, starting at the beginning, learning the basics. So you use the word and instead of those double and sign. That's good to know. So we learned something. We're making progress. I'm going to go ahead and submit this. I'll get another 5 points. Again, here's my solution if you happen to be stuck yourself. I wonder if it doesn't look like they actually give you view discussions. Doesn't look like they give you the answers. Alright, a minute ago. How can it be on the leaderboard? Reveal solutions. I don't want to lose points since I don't know what they mean. Alright. So I guess we'll go through some of these too, since we happen to solve them and got a little practice. So we'll do some division, we'll do some loops, and then we get into some functions and start to figure out some of that stuff. So alright guys, let me know if you're stuck on a particular code test and we can review that in place of this. And I will see you Monday.